Hello friends and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily turn off or turn on notifications in Snapchat app on your iPhone. Please friends, put your likes under the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, also write your comments after watching, and let's get started. So friends, first of all open your phone settings on your iPhone. Next, you will need to find the Snapchat app. For this, you can swipe to the very bottom, where you will have all the apps and open Snapchat. After that, go to the notifications option, and you'll be taken to a page like this. Next, what you can customize here. The very first thing is you can completely turn off any notifications. To do that, you will need to disable this line at the top. As you can see, this way you will have a screen like this without any menu. This will mean that any notifications you have on Snapchat are disabled. You can also further customize what the notifications will look like, where they will come to you. Is it the lock screen, notification center, or is it banners? You can also customize the sounds on the notifications, whether to turn them on or not. You can also customize the style of banners and other options. If the options here in your iPhone settings aren't enough for you, and you would like to customize some notifications more for yourself, then friends, scroll down, click Customize Snapchat Notifications. And now you'll go, friends, directly into the Snapchat app itself and here to customize any notifications in the app itself. Here you can customize absolutely different settings that you want. For example, here you can turn on or off memories, also friends' birthday and some other settings, comments, geolocation settings, and so on. As you can see, there's quite a lot of Snapchat data here with some options, and you can customize it all. In this way, friends, you can easily turn on and off any notifications in Snapchat on iPhone. Friends, I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to put your likes, subscribe to the channel, be sure to write your comments. Take care.